Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, if you're planning to upgrade your home interiors and looking for a modern, budget-friendly and long-lasting wall solutions, then today video is just for you. In this video, we'll talk about the PVC wall panels, their latest price and which are the best brands are available in the market and why they are becoming so popular in a modern interior designs. PVC panels are decorative panels which are made from polyvinyl chloride materials. These panels are used to cover the walls and ceilings and are available in many designs like wood finish, 3D textures and glossy patterns. They are widely used in living rooms, bedrooms and also in a kitchens, office and in a commercial space. And one of the biggest advantages of PVC panels is that they are completely waterproof, like unlike the paint, wallpaper or plywood. They do not absorb moisture, they do not swell or peel. They are perfect for the bathrooms, even in the kitchens and damp areas. That is why the PVC panels are an excellent replacement for tiles in many spaces. And friends, termites are a major problem in wooden interiors, but PVC wall panels are 100% termite proof and pest proof. So this makes them ideal for a long-term use, low maintenance, a safer options compared to the wooden wall claddings. Also, PVC panels are very easy to install, so no need for heavy civil work, no curing time like paint. Panels can be fixed directly on the existing wall, so in most cases, installation is completely within 1 day, so which saves both time and a labor cost. And also that another major advantages is low maintenance. Just wipe with a wet cloth, no need for repainting or no polishing or special care required. So this makes the PVC wall panels perfect for a busy household and a commercial space. And one of the biggest advantages, it gives a stylish and modern look. So PVC wall panel gives your space a premium modern appearance. So you can choose from wooden textures, 3D designer panels, gloss and matte designs. So with the right designs, your room can instantly look luxurious and well designed. And with compared to budget friendly option compared to wood wall panels like stone cladding designer wallpapers, PVC wall panels are much more affordable because they offer the long life, minimal repair cost and a great value for the money. So that's why they are the popular in both budget homes and high end interiors. PVC panels are lightweight but durable, so easy to handle, less load on walls, so resistance to crack and minor impacts. So this makes them suitable even for whole buildings and partition walls. And a good quality PVC wall panels are fire retardant, so they do not spread the fire easily and are safe for indoor use, especially in kitchens and a commercial space. And also they are eco-friendly and are recyclable. So many modern PVC panels are recyclable and are eco-friendly. They reduce the need for cutting trees and support sustainable interior designs. And there are some points to remember, like always choose a good quality PVC wall panels, avoid the very cheap local material, and always hire the professional installation which gives a better finish. So friends, now I'm going to discuss about the latest price and their size. Actually, per panel, it covers 8.3 square feet area, and the price starts from 400 rupees per piece. Which I'm talking about is a super heavy PVC panels. So friends, there are the good brands are available like Studio Decors, Imperio PVC panels, Neuro PVC panels, even a Rise PVC panel, Rian PVC panels, Agarwal. So these are the popular brands are available in India. So friends, you can check out as per your requirement and as per your local shop markets which are available. And there are some important points like always check the thickness and weight. Heavier PVC panels generally have the better rigidity and durability, often 6 plus thickness with a high weight per panel. So look for a PVC panel for better performance and more impact resistance, longer life. So as I told you that per panel it will cost 400 rupees. So friends, suppose your wall size is 10 by 15, that means your total wall size is 150 square feet. So you can multiply with 400 into 150 how much it will cost. Sorry friends, actually the per panels area cover which cover is 8.3 square feet area. So we require for 150 square feet wall total 18 panels. So you have to multiply this 400 into 18. So the total price comes is 7,200 rupees for panels cost. And for installing we require a professional labor, so for they will charge almost 2,000 rupees. So another 2,000 we have to add. So the total cost will be 9,700 rupees and 500 rupees for the transportations. So for panels 7,200 plus 2,000 for labor charges, that is 9,200 and 500 rupees for the transportation. So total it will cost for one for 50 square feet wall, it will cost you 9,700 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate. So friends, if you have any queries related to the PVC panels, you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, always check their finishing options, waterproof and termite proof if you want for bathrooms, kitchens and humid climates. So friends, please subscribe to our channel. If you are new to my channel, then please like this video, share with your friends, and please support to my channel friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video.